I'm Frankie and I'm a second year DPhil student in Earth Sciences, and I'm looking at removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by accelerating a natural process, and this is called enhanced weathering. When I came to the course in my first year, I knew from our workshop that I needed to do more things which demonstrated teamwork. I'd had lots of things which demonstrated leadership or independent work, but yeah, I really needed to have an example where I'd worked at a team. So following the course, I then joined a think tank where I had to work in a team of five other students here in Oxford, and we had to help solve a real life problem from a real world company, and that was really good. We'd have weekly meetings, and after I'd come away from those meetings, I'd try and reflect and think, well, what went well, what didn't go so well, and a lot of that was about sort of interacting with others and enabling you to get the best out of the others in your team, because I might be itching to say something, but if another member of my team's not feeling valued, then it's not a very productive meeting. So yeah, I think by reflecting each week and putting myself in a situation where I was in a team, that really helped build those skills. So at the end of 10 weeks, we formed a report for the Malaysian government on how to minimise their carbon emissions from their construction industry. And we also have to present to the Malaysian government as well.